Hello, hello, hello. DM you. Let's see if these notifications work. Announcements. Didn't work. Stream cord sucks. Oh, no. It worked. Stream cord is amazing. Let's go, fellas. Hello, peoples. Streaming. Yo, 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 SCP, what's up, my man? Was good. Wait, SCP, are you Shark now? No, you're not. Shark is someone else. Nice, okay, cool. Right, so we're gonna continue where we left off yesterday, right? Where I got depressed because I thought that the debugger wasn't working anymore in Unity, but it turns out all I needed to do was restart my computer. So now we have the debugger. Oh, Gracky Green, that's a shame. Well, I'd love to have you some other time, but... Right. So as you can see here, the debugger no longer just quits straight away. It actually works. My life is so much better. I kind of forgot though where we left off yesterday, but I came up with some brainwaves actually. I think I wrote them down. Let me check. Yo, yo, what's up, yo, yo? What is popping? Right. So actually, the way I came up with is kind of basically the exact same thing I was trying to implement, but I think I was just implementing it wrong. So, if they scroll really fast through the whole thing, it'll trigger the whole, for the whole leaderboard. I'm incredibly jet lagged, so I made myself a lovely cup of coffee that has mushrooms in it that are good for your brain, apparently. That's okay, you don't have to be here for every stream, although I'd love it, SCP. I know you're my biggest fan, so... But, just make it whenever you can, and I'm happy. So, this is what I wrote down. Or how about we just prevent new requests until the previous one finishes, then we won't need any complex shit. Actually, requests can complete fast, so the artificial debounce time is needed too. But we should do both. Defo do both, because if the user is scrolling really fast, then it'll get loads of them. This way, they have to have stopped scrolling for a full 0.5 seconds, otherwise the request won't actually trigger. So after... So every time, during scrolling, every time we detect a change in the index of the entry, I was thinking try and do a request, like start a coroutine, and in that coroutine you wait 0.5 seconds and then send the request. But after that 0.5 seconds of waiting, you check to see if this current coroutine is still the most recent one. But if it isn't the most recent one, if it's been replaced by a new request, a new coroutine, then just cancel that. So that only the latest one will actually fire off. And then I'm going to combine that with preventing new requests until the previous one finishes. So if a request has been sent off after that 0.5 seconds in the coroutine, it'll send a request to the server, and then we have to wait for the response. And during that time, you won't be allowed to send any new requests for any more chunks of the leaderboard. And I think that is a pretty solid plan. Every developer drinks. Oh, I appreciate it. I do try and be better than Danny. I mean, Danny hasn't posted in a while. He doesn't stream as well or make TikToks. I do everything. I get credits for that. I'm currently at the stage where I'm trying to find the most optimal, efficient way to run my whole YouTube channel. So I don't want to be sitting and editing videos all the time. I want to be creating the actual content. And then I realized yesterday that I can be efficient by just going on Fiverr and hiring someone to just like turn my live streams into like clips, but not like do the editing, not like not do the whole stream highlights video, but just like cut out the fluff and like try and like form a story based on what I'm saying, and then that way, and then I'm gonna get them to send me the Premiere profile, and then I'll edit it on my computer, and then I'll do all the actual editing and like final decisions as to what stays, what doesn't, like the zooms. I'll record an intro, try and make it into like a story, into a proper YouTube video that is a standalone YouTube video that people can watch and actually be entertained by. So yeah, if you guys have any other ideas for how I can make my whole YouTube like life more efficient, then please tell me. Enchanted! What's up? Oh yeah, also I was watching the stream yesterday and I realized the music was a bit too loud. I think that might be better. Let me try monitoring the mic quickly. Hello, this is a test. I can now hear myself in the mic, it's really weird. Oh my god. Okay, I think this is a good volume for the music for now. Bad Tunes, yo, what's up? I haven't seen you before. If you're a big fan, you'd be here on the streams more often, like SCP and Enchanted. But you wait! And yo, of course. Can't forget yo. Also, it's really annoying because doing these streams, right? Like, I have all the energy, like, to do these streams as best as possible in the morning when I've woken up. But in UK time, that's like 12 o'clock when I wake up or something. But then in America, that's like way too early. No one in America or the West is gonna watch it. So my audience is basically kind of UK, but not even UK, because like, you know, people will be at school or at work whenever I want to start streaming. So it'll just be people more east. But actually, I might just be streaming from like 4 or 5 after I finish work during the weekdays. You've played all my games. Wow, even Ye Olde Meme Game 1. Yeah, I thought about making a separate shorts channel, but I actually just do all my shorts on like the corresponding like main channel, Rethan 2, Rethan Clips channels. I think it's better. Yeah, I don't want to have too many channels as well. You know, I have 4 channels at the moment, and I have less than 1k, or just around 1k subs total, so... Yeah, my shorts do very well, actually. That's why I've, like, as of literally a few days ago, like, I've started properly, like, uploading 2 shorts every day, or at least 2 shorts every day. One of them is going to be for the main channel, which is going to be like a meme, kind of programming meme, and then another one is going to be like a kind of, you know, like a tutorial kind of. Thank you for the 5-star rating. Okay, so let's see, where did we leave off yesterday? Oh, I'm gonna turn on my fan. It's just so hot. I hope you can't hear it though. Hopefully it's fine, especially with the music. If you keep going like this, you'll reach 10k in no time. Thank you. I hope so. Right. So we've got our leaderboard. Let's go to the leaderboard. And here we have the leaderboard. And we're trying to detect when we've stopped scrolling, we want to send a request to get that page of data. So it's not really working at the moment. We don't want to do it in the scroll polar. I think. Whoa, oh, it's waiting seconds until leaderboard expires. Oh my god, I was so stupid. Why did I do that? Do you know how long that is? That's like freaking 30 minutes. No wonder it's not sending off the request. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so stupid. Oh. So, we wait. Mr. Jasum, what's up? A little demo of Meme Game in the future. What, you want to see Meme Game 2? You want to see a little demo of Meme Game 2? Man, it's just too distracting. Meme Game 2, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, anyway. Leaderboards. Okay, so we want to start a coroutine in the scrolled function. Meme Game 1 is finished long ago. It's been on the App Store and Android Store for years now. Years and years. Cut your leaderboard in separate parts. You scroll down, the part above disappears and the one down appears. That's kind of basically what I'm trying to do, except without the disappearing. It's just like appearing more and more, so it's much more efficient. This will be both a PC and a mobile game, but primarily a PC game. It's designed for PC, it works on mobile as well. But PC is the priority. Because people don't really respect mobile games, do they? Okay, so. Private I enumerator. What should we call it? What's this gonna do? This is gonna get chunk after debounce, and then it's gonna wait for the debounce time, and then after that, maybe this should be 0.5. 0.4. Yeah, Meme Game 1 is just a normal, random platform game. It was made in a really shitty game engine. No fancy stuff. But people loved it so much, and I loved it so much. I'm like, you know what, I'm going to make this into a proper level builder game, so here I am. Okay, so after that, we want to check, is this still the latest? Like chunk being retrieved. Now we need a way to represent the chunk of data. We should make a class for it, to be honest, in leaderboard model. So, leaderboard entry, leaderboard. Yeah, man, the whole point of Meme Game 2 is community built levels and leaderboards, which is what I'm doing now. Like, look, I'll show you if you've missed it. I mean, you should just watch the videos on my channel. I'm surprised you're asking that question. If you say you're a big fan and you haven't seen, if you've seen any of my videos, you'll know this. Create a level, you can add anything you want. You know, turn on experimental mode, make Chad fucking huge, and then play it. Oh, well, the rainbow frogs cause you to win, but that's him. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Yeah, of course, there's a time, that's why there's a time taken leaderboard, so you can speedrun. Thank you, SCP. I haven't actually received any hate. I used to have a YouTube channel when I was younger, and it was kind of stupid. I would just do like random videos where I act like a retard, but I did get a little bit of hate, I mean, as everyone does, but the nice thing about this channel is that I've put so much effort into my videos that it's kind of impossible to hate. But like, soon there will be hate once my videos are less effort. We'll see. You've seen all my videos for charity. I don't need no charity. I'm a strong, independent woman. I'm a strong, independent woman. Oh, the polling is still going. Oh, I need to comment this out. We don't need you anymore. You're useless. Useless. Okay, so we need to create a class to represent the chunk. Leaderboard chunk. I think. We need a request for the leaderboard as well. We can do that later. But the chunk is going to have a int start index, public int end index. Are they going to be inclusive or exclusive? If start index is 0, I think maybe both inclusive. Inclusive. You don't need to watch ads on purpose to give me money. It's going to be a very small amount of money. I have a job, I'm a software engineer. I make enough money. But I appreciate it. What you can really do to help me out is just share my channel with as many of your friends as possible. That would be nice. What was the Elon Musk short? I forgot. Okay, so start index, end index, and that's kind of all we need, to be honest. Maybe we should override the equality operator, or is that a bit extra? I think that might be a bit extra. How hard is it? Because we can do the equality operator, and then we can say that if the start and end indexes are equal. C# override equality operator. Yeah, man. Talking about shoutouts, this guy, Fabulous Games, is gonna put me in his newest video. He's making a video how to make a good devlog, and he's got a bunch of YouTubers like Jabrills, Ben Bonk, Fimlock, Aya. So I'm gonna be in a video with them, which is hype. Very hyped. A possessive fanboy. You know, the bigger a fan you are, the better. I'm not complaining. some interesting music playing. It's kind of sad. Yeah, C# equality operator. Overload. Is that how you do it? C# overload equality. That's what we wanted. Not override, overload. Overload. I equatable. Equals. Oh, do we need to implement all these different methods? Oh no, there's so many. Oh no, it just... Java is not the hardest language. I mean, Java's fine, it's kind of shit. C# is just a nicer version of Java, but it's pretty much like the big daddy of languages. It's a pretty standard language. It's got everything you'd expect. Let's remove all this scroll polar nonsense. This song slaps, by the way. It absolutely bangs. So handle scroller scrolled. Get chunk. Okay, so we want to get the chunk. Try get chunk. Let's call it try get chunk. It's not always going to get the chunk. It's going to try and get the chunk if there is nothing else. And then we need to save. Private leaderboard chunk. Chunk being retrieved. So if the chunk being retrieved dot start index. Oh, okay, we need to pass in a chunk. Is chunk the right word? What is a chunk? What is a chunk in programming? I wanna be a set of data. Oh, it's just a set of data. 5 people watching. That's pretty cool. I don't want to know how many people are watching though. It puts me off. I want to focus on the vibe. So chunk. So if this chunk start index, we'll do a little local variable. Bool is okay, but if we check if the chunk we're trying to get is equal to the chunk trying to currently be retrieved, and we scroll down and then scroll back up, and it tries to get the same chunk. Yeah, so no, we just need to check the reference. So we'll just check if the chunk being retrieved equals the chunk, the reference in memory. Is this still the latest chunk being retrieved? Which Mac do I have? The beautiful M1. Beautiful M1 Max. M1 Max. The most expensive one. The best thing in the world. It has allowed me to just do so much more with my life. So if the chunk is still the latest one, then allow the request to go through. And how are we going to send this request? Well, we have like a file for all the playfab stuff to send requests to the server. Execute. Where is it? Playfab. Client. Where is it? It's not the auth manager. Cloud script, that's what it's called. Exception, no. Cloud scripts. Manager? Manager. There we go. All my beautiful cloud script functions. So we're going to have a function called... Let's just copy and paste. Programming is all about copying and pasting. Get leaderboard. Func. Get leaderboard. No, get leaderboard chunk. Everything just rhymes. Query levels payload. Oh, we need to make a payload. Let's make a payload. Query levels. Leaderboard. Get leaderboard model. Get leaderboard. Yeah, get leaderboard model. Get leaderboard model.cs. Control CV noises. Excellent jazz. Excellent jazz. Okay, so let's make these request models so the data can be sent to the server. Oh yeah, mate, I like that data. I'm loving that data. Payload. Payload. I called it payload, didn't I? Res, payload, and res. But then other places I called it rec and res. Why am I so inconsistent? Or maybe the rec contains the payload? No. Alright, we'll just call it rec. Bun that. Yeah, bun that shit, yeah. And then res. Oh, we do need a. Oh, we do need it. Get leaderboard. Get leaderboard. Error. We'll add some more to this. To do add more. Hello, Impero. Nice to see you. Again? Is it again? Have I seen you before? I don't know. Error message. The res will be. We'll figure out. To do figure out the type for the field containing the data for the leaderboard results. And get leaderboard model. Oh, excellent Smash music. Morning brown. Morning brown. Everybody loves their morning brown. Oh, by the way, M&S, please sponsor me. I've got your delicious roasted and salted mixed nuts. Sponsor me, M&S. I love your food. I'm gonna eat your nut. Your nuts are delicious. Okay. So the get leaderboard model needs the public leaderboard. What is it? Leaderboard chunk. Why is that not appearing? Literally, why is it not appearing? Is it because I need to go back to Unity? Leaderboard chunk. Recognize it. VS Code. Hey, Salzian, what's up? How are you? Long time no see. You're like the only one who knows how to code on the stream, so now I feel like I'm being judged. No, I'm joking. Love having you here. You're the only one who can actually help me with my issues. Okay, VS Code finally recognizes leaderboard chunk. Try a proper C# ID in the future. Oof. Oof. What are you implying here? That VS Code ain't a proper C# ID? Well, you're right. You're right. It's not, but it's got all my extensions and all my, I just know all the shortcuts and all that, and Visual Studio for Mac kind of sucks, and I don't want to pay however much for Rider. And, you know, VS Code does the job, and I was actually considering downloading Visual Studio to get the debugger working again, because yesterday we had a bit of a nightmare with the debugger just randomly stopped working, but it turns out all I needed to do was restart my computer, so yeah, I'm sticking with VS Code for now. VS Code is glorified Notepad++. Yeah, pretty much. It's the future, man. We don't need anything more than that. Also, I have a problem with JetBrains' IDEs. I use a Dvorak keyboard layout. I don't know why I'm showing you my keyboard. You can't see it's Dvorak here, but it's Dvorak on the settings. So, yeah, it's Dvorak. And JetBrains IDEs, for some reason, don't work nicely with Dvorak. All the keyboard shortcuts are just, like, fucked up, and you'd have to manually remap every single one. And also, I don't like the look of JetBrains IDEs. They're just kind of ugly. VS Code is beautiful. It's clean. Simple. Yeah, I know. I use VS Code for everything. Like I wanna be familiar with one IDE and just stick with it and not have to worry. All the everything just works the same across languages and products. The color coding's the same. Yeah, you love JetBrains. Fair enough. I mean, everyone loves JetBrains. I know I'm the outlier when it comes to not liking JetBrains. But what's WSG gang? Right. Get leaderboard res. Get leaderboard res. iResponse error. Oh, that's just for the error. Okay. So we need a request class. Public class get leaderboard rec. My opinion is factually incorrect. An editor. I do need an editor. Free? Really? DM me on Discord. I do need an editor. Someone sent me a... Oh, is this a suggestion for my playlist? Lovely. I can't have it in my stream music playlist though because it's got the clapping at the start. It needs to be like a proper stream music, but such is life. Get leaderboard model. What? I'm so stupid. Why did I call it get leaderboard model? Get leaderboard rec. And then I already made it. I'm so stupid. DMCA free. Fair. I mean, most classical music is, I think. I don't know. We'll see. I'll slowly whittle away the copyright music in my stream playlist until real Chad's code backend in Rust. Yeah, Rust is a great language. I want to use it one day. But actually, I don't think I ever will. Like, TypeScript, I'm just hooked on TypeScript. You can do everything with TypeScript. It just makes sense to have the front end and the back end in the same language. You can share the types, you can share utilities, monorepo, like NX. Once you get there, there's no going back. Such is life. Get leaderboard rec. So this is the type we need to pass to get leaderboard chunk. Get leaderboard chunk rec. Get leaderboard chunk. Yeah, fine, I don't care. Payload. Execute function, constants, cloud script names, not query levels. We need to make a new name for our new function. Get leaderboard. Oh, fuck's sake. Get leaderboard chunk. Yeah, it should be get leaderboard chunk request, but there is no other way to get the leaderboard. So I don't know if it's necessary in the name. Yeah, I think it's the only way to get the leaderboard, and I want to force that to be the only way to get the leaderboard. I don't know. Yeah, it's JSON, JSON.NET. Great library. Lovely library. Such a beautiful time saver. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, the only usable library. Okay, so gets to chunk, get leaderboard. Executes the function, whatever. Does all this. Try get chunk after debounce. So Salzian, since you can actually like help me, I'm gonna explain to you what I'm trying to do. So I'm trying to get the leaderboard in chunks because I don't want to download the whole file. So currently, right now, I'm doing this thing where, so as you're scrolling, it's better to visualize it. As you're scrolling, it once you've stopped scrolling, it'll find the index of this entry that's at the top, and it'll start a coroutine that waits for like a debounce amount of time, so 0.4 seconds, and then after that, if that chunk that we just like, so we'll create a chunk, and if that chunk equals the most recent chunk after the debounce time, then we'll actually send the request. But if there's like been another chunk that's been queued up, like a new chunk to try and be retrieved, because like the user started scrolling again, then we'll just like not actually send the request. So that's one way to like, you know, do the whole scrolling thing. And then the second way is if there's a request already being made, then we won't allow any new chunks to be queued up. So that's basically the whole thing. What are you requesting in the first place? So I haven't made the function yet in the server, but I will do. And it'll download on Azure Functions. It'll download the file from blob storage, and that's fine because data transfer is free within a region in Azure. Like there's no cost on how much there's no cost for how much data you download. So it'll just download the file, extract the chunk from that file, and send that chunk back to the client. Yeah, blob storage is Microsoft S3 essentially. When the data is already. Oh, so yeah, so currently it just downloads the whole file from blob storage and shows it, but I realize that's not sustainable if if like the leaderboard has like 1 million entries. It'll be 150 megabytes. Imagine a client downloading 150 megabytes every time they go to see a leaderboard. Homeless, as I said in my making of level builder video. So yeah, that's the problem at hand. Sips tea. Hey, I've received 100 messages today with Restream. Yay! So you scroll to the bottom and then you download the next few in a chunk. So wherever you scroll, say I stop here, it's at 113, it'll get 50 above and 50 below, and that's the chunk of entries it will get. Okay, so chunk being retrieved. Is this still the latest chunk being okay, so we check if this is still the latest chunk. Okay, so we'll do that here. So we can detect when the scrolling stops. That's what we need to do now. We need to detect when the scrolling stops. So this doesn't work. This is a built-in function, a built-in delegate method of the library I'm using for the scroll. I'm not using Unity's built-in scroll. I'm using a some asset that like reuses cells and recycles them for efficiency, so you can show as many as you want. You don't have to worry. That's weird. Shouldn't it be dependent of the previous scroll position? Yes. So that's why I have data index at last, not poll, because I've changed it from polling. Data index at last chunk retrieval attempt. So this is how we're going to detect if we stop scrolling. So handle scroller scroll. So this method is a delegate that gets called whenever a scroll occurs. Like it can be every frame. I don't know how often it gets called. Whenever a scroll gets updated. So if so let's do car data index equals scroller dot start data index, and then so we detect if it stops scrolling if current data index is equal to the date is let me just print this out to remind myself how it works. All right, let's print out the start data index that this asset gives me. Some sort of flowchart to keep an overview and avoid getting confused. Man, I don't do flowcharts. Got to train my brain, but nah, I'm used to this. Might be nice for the stream though, to be honest. But it just takes a while. Okay, so this number here is the index of the data that it thinks it's showing. Okay, so we can't compare it to the last scroll position. Actually, do we need to? Actually, we probably don't need any of this. Yeah, we don't need any of this data index at last retrieval attempt because we're going to be checking against the chunk being retrieved in the coroutine. So every time we scroll, and actually I could be more efficient by stopping the coroutine. Yeah, I reckon so. Okay. So we have our current data index. Now, let's create chunk to get equals new leaderboard chunk. Start index should be this current data index minus config.leaderboard. Oh, I need a config for how big the page is, how big the chunk is. Public static int. Hey, Ragvendra, what's up? You're back. Mermaid.js. Interesting, I'll look into it at some point. Billion short videos and streams. Yeah, I've been transferring shorts between accounts. That's why. They're not new. Well, some of them are new. I'm going to be making a lot of shorts. Stay tuned on the shorts channel. So, int chunk size. Cool. So we get leaderboard in chunks of 100. So chunk size over 2. And then... Oh, this is not JavaScript. Man, I've been doing a lot of JavaScript recently. End index. No. End. Oh, I need a... Oh, that's good that I'm showing up in the TikTok. Plus the chunk size over 2. And then we want to... Oh, no. We want to start this coroutine to get that chunk. You're waiting for the shorts. Good. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. I just reached 1,000 subs. So yeah. And so yeah, so we're starting a new coroutine, but this function is getting called a lot. It gets called like once every frame that we're scrolling. So we're starting a lot of coroutines. So ideally, we could cancel the previous coroutine. Yeah, we could just cancel the previous coroutine. Then do we even need any of this? Checking to see the chunk is the same? If the... Yeah. Not scroll polar coroutine, it should be chunk retrieval coroutine. And then we can set that equal to the coroutine, and if this is not null, we can stop that coroutine from before, the previous coroutine, and then chunk retrieval coroutine equals this new coroutine that we're starting. Then we don't even need to check the chunk being retrieved. I mean, it's still probably good practice, like, why not? Why not? not good practice, but it's thorough. So if the we need to set the chunk being retrieved. Do we even need this actually? It might just be a bit confusing. Yeah, okay, we'll not have it because it's just an extra thing to keep track of. And we'll call this get chunk instead of try get chunk. So it won't do the check here because we're cancelling the coroutine outside. So I'll just debug.log actually getting chunk with start index chunk.start index just to keep track, see if this is working. Coroutine class has no API to check its status, just use start stop coroutine. Yeah. Secret main character can be Giga Chad or someone. I should add Giga Chad. I already have normal Chad, so really ought to add Giga Chad. I might have another M&S nut, if you guys don't mind. Walnut, delicious. Right, let's see. Is this working? Clear. So scrolling. Now I'm gonna stop. Hey, actually getting chunk. With start index -9. Oh, we need to clamp it to 0 and then the max number. To be fair, we could clamp it on the server. Yeah, we should probably clamp it on the server. So scrolling, it's probably starting a bunch of coroutines and stopping them. And then only on the last one. Wow, that just works. Wow, look at that, that's beautiful. So this is when it actually sends the chart. Oh my god, didn't expect it to just work. Just implemented a debounce system. Nice. Okay, cool. So, here's where it'll actually get that chunk. And then, we need to do playfab cloud script manager.instance.get leaderboard chunk. And we will pass it a new get leaderboard request with the, what is there? Oh, I wish I would have just told you. Nope, that's not what we want. The leaderboard chunk. Leaderboard chunk equals chunk. Why is it complaining? Do I need to await? But does this function need to be async? Can you do async I enumerators? Async task? I enumerator task? Nah, okay, I'll just make it a new function. Private async task get leaderboard chunk and then return, oh no, await this shit. Board chunk, nice. Oh, do I really? How do I start one? Oh, I need to give it a parameter. But that's not why it's complaining. Because this call is not awaited. Execution of the current method continues before the call. Is that just a warning? Do I need to? I made a wrapper How do I use it? It's in my game manager. I made a wrapper for, yeah, with try catch wrapper. Okay. Yeah, I'll just import my... No, I already imported the extension. With try catch wrapper. Nice, okay. Right. Yeah, exactly. It's not like I can await it in the IEnumerator anyway. Because IEnumerators are weird. Thanks, Unity. Spooky. So it gets the chunk. Gets the chunk. Is that it? Is that literally all we need to do? Maybe we should start working on the server now. Oh, we should have a flag to say, are we currently waiting for the response? Private bool is currently sending chunk. Is currently getting chunk. And then we can stop any new ones from happening if it is currently getting it. So this equals true, await, and then this equals false. But if this is an error, we want it to still happen. So how about we try catch? Does VS Code do the try catch for me? Nice, it does. Oh, what? It just put the it just put the await in the try catch for me. I didn't even do that. Look, all I do here is type try, down, enter. Oh, it didn't. Oh, I guess it's whatever line was. Oh, so if I have this selected, VS Code will. Oh no, no, I can't have it selected. Okay, never mind. My smart bulb. Yeah, man. Saljin is the biggest chad in the chat right now. Because he knows how to code the best. My smart bulb. What's a smart bulb? What, that thing? Like the line? So, if there is an exception, we'll rethrow it because it gets handled in the try-catch wrapper, but we also want to set is currently getting chunk to false here too. Always want to... Is there like a finally? Oh, there is a finally. Nice. I can just do that in the finally. So I don't have to have it both in the try and the catch. Do I even need this? Will it still rethrow? Yeah, that's some like weird Chinese thing, and it has an app that doesn't work, but it lets you like cycle through all the different modes it has, so that's what it's on. I think finally still will throw even if an exception occurs. Okay, so the exception will still get thrown, I reckon. Cool. Okay, so we're getting the leaderboard chunk. Oh yeah, and then if we are currently getting a chunk, we don't want to start anything new. Okay, I think we should separate this into a new function. You know what, I'm going to use the VS Code extract feature. Extract, I've never done this before. Refactor? No. Oh, there is no extract. Okay, I'll just extract it myself. Private, try, get, chunk. And then we'll do all this in here. Because this is a delegate handler, it should be minimal. Does not exist. Throw will end execution. Catch will catch the exception. Continuing the execution. Finally, we'll throw the exception in execution and execution, but we'll run the finally block. Okay, that's what I want. I want to throw the exception. Scroller. No, scroller. Nice. So, in the try get chunk, if we are currently getting a chunk, just don't do anything. Leave. Exit. Exit game. And yeah, I reckon that is pretty much it. So we send this request to get the leaderboard chunk. Then the response, oh, it's not meant to be query level res, it's meant to be get leaderboard res. And that will contain the data we need. Now, what is the data we need? Get leaderboard error. Leaderboard error. I wish I could set up a monorepo, because my backend is also in C# and I could share all of these types so easily, but I couldn't figure it out. I think with Unity it's just hard. Yeah, Celsian, what do you do? Are you a game developer? Like a Unity game developer? Or just a programmer? Or stay hydrated, fellas. I drink so much water. Keep my bottle right there. Backend developer for hotel search website. Respectable, very respectable. I'm actually a front-end developer. I mean, I know backend very well. I've done a lot of projects, but I'm officially a front-end developer and we don't really get the same love. Although I think we should, to be honest. Like front-end these days, you have to know a lot. A lot of libraries. A lot of JavaScript libraries, man. So. SCP, you haven't said anything for a while. Just been vibing. I missed you. It's been so quiet. Well, it actually hasn't been quiet. It's been Salzian absolutely being an absolute G. Right. So yeah, we need to think of what is the shape of the data we're getting back from the server. What do we need from the leaderboard? It'll return a list of entries. Let's go to the model page. A list of entries. It's not going to be the whole leaderboard, it's just going to be the data we requested. And I think I wrote in the Trello we should also return some extra metadata, such as like how many total entries there are. And then there was some other stuff. Where is it? Where is my leaderboard Trello? Here. Metadata. Oh, here. Every call to getting a page should also return some metadata like a leaderboard size, the player's position within the leaderboard. Oh yeah, the player's position, so that the player can jump to their position instantly. Even though they haven't loaded the whole leaderboard yet, we still want to know their position. So, leaderboard request should have, or the response, sorry, should have public int total num leaderboard entries. Hey Shidu, what's my game about? Nah, I'm not gonna let myself get distracted here. Go watch on my YouTube channel the making of my level builder game. Or actually a better starting video would be, you know, watch that first and then watch It's Mario Maker but memes, which like explains the whole game from scratch. It's my first ever video. I don't actually drink coffee that much, but yeah, I think programmers do love their caffeine. Oh, Coke's bad for you, man. As long as it's Diet Coke, should be okay, but you'll get cancer. Sad times. Total num leaderboard entries, and we also need a public int player position index player leaderboard index of player position, index of player index. What should we call it? Player position index. Position index. Yeah, man, the sweeteners they use in Coke, I think, have been shown to cause cancer. Oh, vodka's disgusting. Disgusting. Player position index. Okay. Wait, did the stream cut off? Oh, I hope it didn't cut off. Looks good. So, okay, so we want this metadata, and we also want dummy entries that have loading displayed. So the actual data, what's the meat and potatoes? It's just leaderboard entries, right? Leaderboard entry, just an array of leaderboard entries. Public entries, I guess. Yeah. Oh, we also have to do all of this for the time taken leaderboard. It's kind of annoying. Time taken leaderboard entry. T leaderboard. Oh, this is it. Oh, it's all generics. Nice, I set it all up with generics. You're writing client code before you write the server code. Yeah, pretty much. That is the beauty of a strongly typed language. You can do that. It's all about the APIs. It's all about knowing the shapes of the data. Because I know exactly what I'll be able to do on the server. I can do anything on the server. Anything I need. Just need to know what data I actually need for the client. The server is serving the client. So yeah, do you actually import the API as a DLL between project? Well, like the types and everything? No, I wanted to have like a monorepo with shared types and all that, but I couldn't figure it out. It was just not worth it, so I just copy and paste like a bunch of classes and interfaces. I know it's not ideal, but you know, it's pretty traditional to do that in terms of server, client. Which is a shame, because it's all C#, right? The server is C#, the client is C#. Did I just say client? Server? Man, I just confused myself. Oh, this is a good song. No, don't use Python. Okay. I leaderboard entry. That's what it should take. In the response. And then we can cast it. Yeah. Oh, no. No. Because if we cast an interface, if we pass an interface here to JSON.NET, it's not going to know what to do. Or is it? No, it's not. Generic. Get leaderboard res. T leaderboard entry. Like so. Yeah. Guess so. Maybe create a C# project with just the types and use it as a library. Yeah, I mean, I'm not good enough at C#. I don't know how to like make a library and import it into both and like have like a proper like nice decent setup. Also, I think the types are actually very slightly different because of... Is it JSON.NET? I think I remember. I forgot why. Like here, everything is getting set. I don't know if that's the same as... It's just a meme game. Get leaderboard res. Python is it's useful in India. It's popular everywhere, man. It's popular because noobs love it because it's so easy. But unless you're doing machine learning or like scientific programming, stay away from Python. Yeah, maybe at some point, but like, I don't know. If it takes time, then I'd rather focus on meme game. Okay. Get leaderboard chunk. Res needs to pass a generic T leaderboard entry. So this can work with the time taken leaderboard as well as the normal leaderboard, because I added that time taken leaderboard as a second thought and I didn't design the whole system to work with both, so I made a hack. Well, it's not really a hack, it's best effort. Get leaderboard chunk. Right. And luckily, because I'm in an abstract class, the T leaderboard entry type is already passed into the whole class, so I just need to pass that on through. Man, generics are so cool. Oof, Lua is 1 based. If you're gonna learn Lua, just learn Python at that point. So, yeah. Yeah. So that will get the leaderboard. And I think we are now ready to start coding the server. Just be a list of entries, right? Yeah. Oh, is Lua performant? I didn't realize it was so performant. Yeah, Python is a good starting language if you want to learn coding, but like, you know, I reckon if you're more motivated, if you have the discipline, like over the long run, over like a year-long period of time, if you just start with C# versus start with Python, you'll be so much better a programmer if you started with C# and just like push through. It'll take you longer, but at the end of the year, you'll be so much better. You understand so much more about programming. Right, let's code this server, boy. Do we have any errors first? Okay, no errors. So, let us make a function. Get leaderboard.cs. And to be honest, just copy and paste. I'll just copy and paste this. Get leaderboard. The title text. It's kind of like intentionally kind of trashy. It's part of the aesthetic. It's also the same as Meme Game 1. I'm just being true to my roots. Function names. Public const. You know what? I'm kind of in the mood for some lemonade. And to take the piss. Take a piss. So here we go. I'm gonna put on my be right back thing. You can watch some shorts in the meantime. Stay tuned. I'll be a minute. Here's how I learned game dev from knowing absolutely nothing at all to now being able to make a huge project with a full-on level builder and level sharing, just like Mario Maker, all on my own. I started off using a very basic drag and drop game engine called Game Salad, which I learned when I was 13 years old and a complete and utter dumbass. I very slowly went from making crappy games like The Batcave to mastering the game engine over 5 to 6 years and managed to produce some pretty decent games such as Toadline and Ye Old Meme Game 1. 2 is on its way, you can watch the progress on my channel. Anyway, it was only after I learned these basic high-level concepts of programming and game dev through visual drag and drop scripting that I was then able to move on to the big daddy of all game engines, Unity. And now, I'm an absolute god at it. What programming language should I use? Front-end? TypeScript. Back-end? TypeScript. Mobile apps? TypeScript. Desktop apps? TypeScript. DevOps? TypeScript. Machine learning? Python. Game development, C#. Yay! This is what happens when you leave things till later when coding. You end up making a language that looks like this. What? What? Should I try the inexact parse? I don't know. What does parse do? If you're a software engineer, you will just love this insane story I'm about to tell you. Watch to the end. A while back, my friend and I made a portfolio generator website that converts your LinkedIn data into a beautiful, fully hosted portfolio webpage for you, all for free, no ads. Now you may be wondering, how in the bloody Torvalds could we afford to do this? Prepare to be left stunned. GitHub at the time had recently started offering unlimited GitHub action minutes for the price of completely free to all public repos. So we thought to ourselves, why not host our entire core backend server on GitHub Actions? So when you click that generate button to create your portfolio, a request gets sent to start a GitHub action that goes and builds and hosts your portfolio webpage. But Rethan, what about the hosting? GitHub Pages, a feature that automatically hosts the static files in your repo for free. So in our GitHub action, we use GitHub's API to create a new repo for your portfolio and then upload your generated portfolio static files to that repo. I fucking know, right? Portosaurus.com. Okay, who gave Mr. Incredible? I'm back! I just waited to the end of that short so you could finish watching it, to be honest. Yeah, I made a script to, because you can have browser sources and then you can choose a local file, so I made a script to like just show an embedded view from YouTube, and then it does some other things to keep the playlist going and choose like a random thing and like keep track of which ones it's chosen so it doesn't repeat, because random numbers aren't really random and they're kind of shit. In JavaScript, they just repeat for some reason, so yeah. So yeah, you guys don't get bored when I go, and I don't feel guilty leaving. I also got some M&S soy, ginger and chili quinoa waves. Not sponsored by M&S, never tried these before. Taste test. Wow, that's interesting. I'm pretty much powered by M&S. No, it's not monetized. I don't make any money from anything yet. Yeah, the lemonade is ginger lemonade. M&S, ginger lemonade, fellas. Tell M&S to sponsor me. Nah. Right. I've never tried New York Indian steak. Interesting. M&S. Oh yeah, the function name. What was it called? Get leaderboard. Get leaderboard equals get leaderboard. Or maybe leaderboard chunk. Yeah. Nah, just leaderboard. Let's be consistent. Whoa! It's already there. But I never made it. Interesting. Maybe I had big plans. What is a New York Indian snack? Man, these are good. I'm gonna keep them right here. Come on, open yourself. Oh, god damn it. There we go. This file gives you the creeps. Why? To be fair, I don't really separate these functions up. Oh, what, this? It's good. It's good practice to have like a constants file or somewhere. As opposed to hard coding. Maybe there's better ways, but it's better than hard coding the strings. Oh yeah, I love Indian snacks. I love like Bombay mix or whatever. Okay. Right. Get leaderboard. I'd say I'm tidy in the things that matter. Just from experience. So you got the user ID, get leaderboard, init JSON. Oh, use JSON.NET on the server as well. Slightly different settings. Get leaderboard. Oh, we need to copy over the model for the leaderboard request. Of course. Where is it? It's here. Where does it go? Get leaderboard. We need to create a new models file. Get leaderboard model.cs. Oh, and we need to copy over the chunk model. So the function name annotation decorator is being used by PlayFab. Yeah, the function name annotation decorator. No, this is used by Azure. So PlayFab Cloud Script works on top of Azure functions, or at least it has the option to, and I chose that option because I'd rather be using Azure, like the big daddy, than like PlayFab's own shitty Cloud Script, which is the old version anyway. They recommend you use the new Azure functions thing. So this is a pure Azure function, just like hooked up with PlayFab, but this is fully Azure function. So this is Azure function name, yeah. What was the first thing I coded? The Batcave. It wasn't even programming. Actually, no. The very first thing was like a shitty Java calculator app for Android. But the first like project that I was like properly made was like in Game Salad, drag and drop coding. It's called the Batcave. I don't know if it's still up. Maybe it's still on the iOS App Store. First thing I actually coded was a meme bot that posted memes on my Facebook page using the Graph API. Yeah, I live in London. British Museum? No, I've always wanted to go to the British Museum. Never been. I live in northeast London. Oh, this is Balloon's TD5 music. I pointed it out yesterday. Great music. Absolute banger. Banger! So, okay, so we have our leaderboard chunk. We have our type. Now we can go back to the function and do the correct types. Where are the types? Where are the types? I just created the type because we needed it somewhere and now I forgot where we're using it. Get levels played by... What is that? Did I just accidentally change that? Oh, okay, yeah, I did get leaderboard. Wreck. From your granddad, yeah, man. Us Brits, we steal shit and we just chuck it into the British Museum. Sorry. That is the way it is. Sad. Okay, so we have the data dot leaderboard chunk. Let's just create a var. Nah, we don't need to do that. It's there. No, okay, fine, we will. Var leaderboard chunk equals that. So, what do we do with this leaderboard chunk? Should we call it leaderboard chunk or leaderboard chunk data? Leaderboard chunk info. Because this isn't the leaderboard chunk itself, it's the info required for a leaderboard chunk. On the client, when we create the request here, oh, we passed in the chunk. So if we remove that, it would just be creating the request here. Leaderboard chunk range. Thing is, I don't know if there's going to be more than just range info. I think maybe there might be more info we need, like maybe passing in like an array of entries that we have already gotten, but like actually that might just be more data, to be honest. Because we'd have to send that as an array. I don't know. Who says my name right? Ethan. Yeah. My name is Ethan. See you later, Rag. Yeah, so there's two different ways we can do this, right? We could send a leaderboard chunk range with just a start and end index, or we could send an array of values, array of indexes that we need to retrieve from the server, and then we only send back those indexes, because then we can be more efficient and not send indexes we already have. But the thing is, that might not be any more efficient, because we're still sending. Now we have to send all this huge array of data, of indexes, when, like, you know, it's not a big deal to context. Damn, everything's a map, everything's an object. Rethan is my name, Ethan, and then like, you know, the meme sound effect, screeching. I don't want to say it, the A word. Rethan. Leaderboard chunk info. Oh, I should have done this. I'm Pickle Ethan. Pickle Ethan. Woo! Leaderboard chunk info. Just want to be consistent. It's good to be consistent. And then here, let's just change everything to chunk info. Okay, that's good enough. So when we get the leaderboard, we want to download the leaderboard file. Let's write a little list of things we want to do here. Download the leaderboard file from blob storage. Then we want to extract the range from the chunk info, and then classes in one file. It's because they're tiny classes, they're just like you know, models. I don't want to make a new file for every single one, can't be bothered. I know, it's good practice. So extract the chunk, extract the range from the chunk info, and then we want to send back that range along with metadata like player, pos in leaderboard, num, total num entries, and what else do we need? Why does this feel so much simpler than I would have thought it to be? My Peter Griffin impression. You watched the last stream. Alright, Salzian, it was nice having you. I'm on my own now. In terms of programming help. But, yeah, be nice to have you back later. Being a help. How did you, SCP, how did you find the live stream recording? Did you, like, because I put it on unlisted. I mean, it was public for a little bit, and then I put it unlisted. So did you get notified, or did it come up in your subscription feed? Or how did you find it? I will do. Salzim. Link. What link? Why did you find the link? Oh, fair. Well, on the Discord, the link. Let me open this door quickly. Get some fresh, cool air in. That's what we like to see. Right. Woo! Let's go. Right. Right. Okay. So, download the leaderboard file, extract the range, and send back that range along with metadata like player, pos, leaderboard, number entries. Is that it? Is that it? That's so easy. There must be more. Surely there's more. Really? Okay, we'll start with that. Delete all this. Make the request. Res, sorry. Oh, we need the response type as well. Where is the response type? Where is it? Where do I put all my types? Oh, I just split it out into two separate things. Here we go. This is the response. Right. Copy and paste noises. Do I have a leaderboard model in the server already? Update leaderboards, surely. Oh no, I don't. Oh wait, oh, I do. I leaderboard entry. So why is it complaining? Oh, list couldn't be found. It's not the T leaderboard it's complaining about. Using namespace system. Oh, it's using system. Thank you. I know, I sneezed. I dab sneezed. Too many swear words. You mean Yield Meme Game 1? Get those cringe buckets out of here. We don't do no cringe. Oh, system.collection. That's where the list resides. And why is it still giving me an error? It's not Meme Game 2, it's Meme Game 1 that you're talking about, SCP. Did you thought out about that random system for hackers? Which system for hackers? Collections. Why? List could not be found. It is literally in system.collections. Surely. Oh, the ban system. Yeah, I mean, I'll see if anyone hacks. I don't know. Where is it? Where's the file that contains that? Update level.cs. Line, what was it? Line something of removed from the video. Ban. Here. Ban user. Boom, banned, unbanned, banned, unbanned, banned. Yeah, for now it's fine. So yeah, why is... Oh, dot generic. Oh. To be fair, before I release the game, I might make some, like, decisions on the ban system. With 5,000 ads. That's not how it works. You can't just spam ads. It's all about the API giving you ads to show. I'll get banned if I do that. Get a leaderboard res. I guess we could pass the type of the leaderboard entry as a argument in the request, and then the response type will be based on that. Yeah, I mean, how else would it know what type of leaderboard it wants to get? Yeah. Right, public. Should be an enum. Maybe this should go in the leaderboard info as well. Yeah. Yeah, you'd get banned. Okay. So we'll have an enum. How do you do enums again? Leaderboard type. Do enums work with JSON.NET? I hope they do. Then is it like that? Best high score. Because there are two types of leaderboards. There's high score and best time. Public leaderboard type. Leaderboard type. Yeah, man, the campaign's gonna have a bunch of cinematic scenes. Just you wait. That's later, when I actually have time to make the campaign. So we have a request. Is this the best way to pass in the leaderboard type? We can't serialize the generic. So that wouldn't work. Wow. Get leaderboard. Okay, fine. Fine. Yeah, we'll just do like that. Oh yeah, man, I'm not gonna do a Danny. The thing is, I can't actually do a Danny. Like, my game is already finished. Like, it's ready to be uploaded, and it fully works. As like a alpha version. Like a early access on Steam. So there's no way I'm not gonna upload the game. I'm gonna upload it when I get to 10k subs. Unless I die. Leaderboard model. Here we go. Let's put this above. Yeah, I know. Danny just like, I can't believe he's like, nah, I'm not working on Carlson. He hasn't uploaded. What's he doing? He had such a good opportunity. He had all these subscribers, such a big fan base, and then he just. So I think mobile and iOS and Android will come later, when the game is actually like finished, as opposed to early access. Yeah. So let's switch the var leaderboard type equals context dot function dot leaderboard type. So let's switch case on this leaderboard type enum. Case leaderboard type dot high score. So if it's a high score leaderboard, we're gonna want to return the high score leaderboard res. Okay, I'll make a get leaderboard res. I hope I can return generics. I hope it knows how to serialize generics. It must do. It must do. To be fair, you can message all you want. I don't mind. I need to learn how to not get distracted, and it's good anyway. It's a nice little break from coding. And once I'm in the zone, I can like switch between two very quickly. Like now, I need to set the res equal to the high score version. Oh, what have I done? Okay, you know what, I'll just do that again. Oh, I didn't even do it in the first place. Get leaderboard res. Ooh, it doesn't know the type. Can I do this? No. Yeah, I'll just do it here. I'll just do it in each case. How about that? Bar res equals get a new leaderboard res. This one will be leaderboard entry, just a regular leaderboard entry. I should have called this high score leaderboard entry. Oh, the names shouldn't be best time. Time taken. Score leaderboard. That's what we should call it. Get leaderboard model. Score. Time. Do you guys think Danny is funny, by the way, out of interest? Oh, Ficky Car, I didn't see you. Nice to have you. How did you put all the apps in the top bar? Never seen that. I made a an app called Menu Bar Doc because I was tired of this shitty doc not working. You can go and download it. It's called Menu Bar Doc. I think it's the first one on Google. But yeah, I made it. It's free, open source. You're welcome. And okay. Rename the leaderboard type. Good. That makes more sense. I don't know if I like this classical music in the stream music. Maybe I should remove it. How about I remove it? Whoa, look, it's me, I'm live. Crazy. Playlists. Stream music. Where's all the classical stuff? It's just kind of depressing, to be honest. It's not needed. Is it this? Actually, to be fair, there's such... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 classical songs. Pathetic Sonata, second movement. Ah, it's fine, it's fine. Fuck it. Hello, Ice Pop. How you doing? You vibing? Making a leaderboard here. If the leaderboard type is dot score, then we use the normal leaderboard entry. This should be called score leaderboard entry, because this is called time taken leaderboard entry. But, you know, I did it before knowing I would have 2 leaderboards and I can't be bothered to go and change it all. So leaderboard entry is synonymous with score leaderboard entry. Score leaderboard entry. I could change the name, to be honest. Maybe I should now while I'm redoing the whole of leaderboards. Yeah, fuck it, I'll change the name. Score leaderboard entry. Let's look up all occurrences of leaderboard entry and change it where it needs to be changed. Like a good boy. Convert to... Okay. Okay. I don't think there's too many places we have to change it. My moral support. It's fine, I don't need moral support. I'm motivated. I'm making meme game anyway. I figured I may as well show you guys in the process. I'd be sitting here doing this without the camera and stream anyway. Just makes sense to stream it, like why not? Talking is fun as well. It's actually more fun. I code slightly slower, but that's fine. I'll get faster. I need to get used to streaming. That is the main problem here. Right. Very cool. Oh yeah. Score leaderboard entry needs to be changed. Let's see. In the client, leaderboard entry. T leaderboard, that's all generic. That's all generic. That's all generic. Here. Need to change this. Score leaderboard entry. And man, I should have committed my code. Abstract. This looks pretty good, to be honest. Yeah, exactly. Chad. Giga Chad. Woo! Let's go, boys. I need to hit the gym more to become a Giga Chad. Actually, I'm already quite big. I'm already a Giga Chad. I need to become a Google Chad. A Zeta Chad. Time taken. Do we... Wow, I don't think there's many places we have to change it. Score leaderboard. Leaderboard.entries. Okay, here I called it leaderboard menu instead of score leaderboard menu. Maybe I should change it here too. Are there any serialized fields that are going to break? Don't think so. Oh wait. Yeah, there are. Oh, it's worth it. It's worth it. Let's fix it one time. Score leaderboard menu. Score. Okay, I'm going to fix it in Unity. Gains, boys! Gains! It's all thanks to my M&S food. It lets me go to the gym. Grass skirt chase. What's that? Main menu. No, leaderboards. It lost the reference to the script. Score leaderboard. Oh, it didn't save any of it. Item prefab. If we take a look at the time taken leaderboard, we can see what is this? Where is that coming from? Whoa, Unity's just bugging out. I'm assuming this prefab, okay, is just that. And this is just generic. Okay, cool. All three of them are just generic. Right. 1. Error modal. Where is that? Right here. Cool. 2. Scroller. What's it used in the time taken leaderboard? Scroller. Enhanced scroller. We need the leaderboard version. Score leaderboard version, sorry. Enhanced scroller. No. Leaderboard. Enhanced scroller. Lovely. SpongeBob music. Okay, I'll look it up in a sec. I'm gonna call this score leaderboard. Cool. Excellent progress. Anything else that we need to change before I commit? Oh, this music is from Toadline, a game I made back in the days. I made this music. It's chill. Tell me if you like it. entry. Glad you guys like it. I think that is it. I think we've renamed all instances of Leaderboard to Score Leaderboard. It's good to be good. It's good to be good. Let's commit. Renamed Leaderboard to Score Leaderboard and started doing the new Leaderboard system. Now we can look up this music you're talking about if it doesn't get me zucked by the Twitch overlords and YouTube overlords. Oh, we listened to it. Oh, it was that thing. Oh my god. We'll listen to it again. Absolute banger. You know what? I'm going to add this to my stream playlist. It doesn't seem to be copyright detected here, so... What is all this? Plays in... Oh wow, all the playlists. That's mad. Oh, did I already add it? Oh, I did! Oh, well. Let's wait until it comes. It'll definitely come up. Because the way the algorithm works is... The script works by choosing a new one each time, so it doesn't repeat songs until all of them are played, and then it keeps choosing randomly. So, guess you have to stay on the stream if you want to see it. Ladies and gentlemen. Glorious morning, man. I got copyright striked. Not striked, but I got copyright claimed in the last stream for playing Glorious Morning. Sad. Fun fact about Glorious Morning, the guy who made it, Waterflame, I paid him like 200 quid or something to make a song for one of my games, and he did. So this guy, Waterflame, if we type Waterflame Byzantine, he made it for my game. Look, you can see here. Does he still have the link? For the Block Cave, commissioned by ETG Games. It used to be spelled differently, but yeah. Fun fact. Favorite music ever. No joke, this music seriously gives me butterflies in the stomach. Thanks so much for making this. Well, this wouldn't exist without me, so you're welcome. Goes like this. Should I add it to stream music? Is the block cave still up? Oh, that's loud. Nah, don't think it's there. Yeah, that is it. Go listen to it if you want. Right. Monetize the channel. I don't have enough subscribers. I don't have enough watch time to monetize the channel. I need 4,000 hours. Right. So, what are we doing? Oh, we just committed code. Cool. Cool. I think I deserve an M&S nut for committing some code. I will choose a cashew nut. That was a pretty good M&S nut. 7 out of 10. Okay. Is there any other way of passing in what leaderboard type No, it has to be an enum. Hey, N8 Dev! What's up? Guys, N8 Dev is cool. Check him out. He makes good videos. Sponsor when? Man, tell M&S to sponsor me. Look at that. Mixed nuts. These nuts. Okay, so if the leaderboard type is score, then we are going to send a response of the score leaderboard entry. And if it is a time taken type, we want to send the response of a time taken leaderboard entry. You can't D's nuts him on stream, man. Have some respect for the guy. Publish level data equals level helper dot level doc to publish level data. That is just the wrong type entirely. Why am I even doing this? No, we need all of this. These. Yeah. No. Yep, N8 Dev is famous. He's famous because he makes good videos. Go and subscribe. Entries equals something. We don't know what it is yet. Total num leaderboard entries equals something. We don't know what it is yet. We don't know what anything is yet, okay? We'll just leave it to later. Famous last words. That's what we all say. I appreciate the flattery, but it's not quite true yet. One day. One day. Time taken leaderboard entry. That's what I like to see. Far res. Already defined. Oh, just do it inline. Bun that shit, fam. I ain't trying. Right. Boom. Semicolons everywhere. They're everywhere. I have dreams about semicolons, man. Tossing and turning. Run. Not all code paths return a value. Fine. Fine. I will default throw new error exception shouldn't happen. Fine. Yeah, man. The thing is though, like, this enum has 2 values, so the compiler should be smart enough to know that if I've covered the case for all 2 values, well, that means all code paths return a value. But no, I still need the default. Otherwise, if I don't have the default, red line. Bunda. Okay. Okay, so we'll deal with that later. Now, we need to download the leaderboard file from... Just add a none value to the enum. What do you mean? Like, where is enum? And then what? Wait, how did none value help? Case none? But it would still make me do a default, wouldn't it? And so that, oh, what? I deleted the comment. No, I deleted the comment that told me what I need to do. Download the score or time taken leaderboard file. So, download it. We'll also need this switch up here to download the correct... Oh, yo, I just remembered. So I went and changed all the leaderboards to be named Score Leaderboard, but in Blob Storage, it's still called Leaderboard instead of Score Leaderboard. And if I want to be consistent, I should probably go and update all of that. How do I go back? What is this shit? I don't want this shit. Alright. So I have leaderboards and time taken leaderboards, but this should be called Score Leaderboards. Yeah, alright. I will rename it. Am I allowed to rename it here in the console? Please, Microsoft, stop being a little bitch. Yeah? Maybe? Come on. Every other cloud service would let me rename it. Oh, Crash Bandicoot music, let's go. Oh, come on, there must be a button to do something. What's the point of selecting it? Nothing in the user interface changes as when I selected it. Do I have to zoom out? Am I like... What's the point of selecting it if nothing else happens? So stupid. Okay. How to rename folder in blob storage. What is this? Manually download the Azure Storage Explorer. Ugh. Select the file or folder and click rename button from the top bar. That's what I would have thought should happen. But there is no rename button. Is there? Okay, you know what, I'll change it here first, just so I don't forget, in the constants file. Blob storage, leaderboards folder. We'll call Score Leaderboards. And I'll rename this to Score Leaderboards folder. I think that's everywhere. Notification gang. What is this? Okay. What the hell? That's such a weird... Oh, it's gone now. Oh, this is some like weird tool. I don't want to download a weird tool. Right click. View edit. Right click. No, right click does nothing on the folder. Right click does nothing. Can I copy them all? Ah, fuck it. I don't even need these leaderboards anyway. I just need one, because that's the one I'm testing. And I believe that is this massive one here. 200 kilobytes. Fine, I'll download it. And then re-upload it. And then delete this. Cool. Man, Microsoft just don't understand, like, basic, like, human things, right? They're just robots, and that's why I don't use Windows. Can I delete this? Let me delete it! Oh! Do I have to go and click every single one manually? This is so stupid. Delete. Oh, and this one as well. Yeah, man, start your own YouTube channel. I'll check it out on stream if you do. YouTube channels are the future. Startups are the past. Oh, the folder deletes itself once all the files within the folder are gone. Okay, cool. I mean, it should just automate that. If I try and delete a folder, it should just go and, like, automatically delete individual files. But no, Microsoft is too, like, stuck in their ways. Leaderboard. Oh, and also there's Firestore as well. Firebase. I need to make sure that it's called score leaderboards in Firebase. Can I create a new folder here? Upload. I'll upload the file I just downloaded. Get my lemonade out of the way of my computer screen. Oh, I need to rename that. No, it won't let me rename it because I already have a file and I can't be bothered to find that file on my local. Okay. Advanced. Upload to folder. Score leaderboards. Maybe it's a better idea to just do this from the server in case creating a folder from the server has any special settings. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, I'll comment these out for now so we can run the server. F5. How do you have 21 subs without any videos? Is it because of all the comments you leave? Do you get subs from just commenting? Is that the new meta on YouTube? Man, this M&S ginger lemonade is so peng. It's the first time I ever had it. It's absolutely delicious. Alright. So let's just like win some random level. How about leaderboards? The leaderboards level. Oh no. PP poo poo copy. That is sus. I'll give it access anyway. Play level. Let's just play it and win. So it creates a leaderboard. Load. Oh, that worked. Outrun my gong. Cool. Now hopefully it'll create the leaderboard on the back end. Hopefully it all goes through. Oh, I should have checked Firebase before doing that. Firestore database. Is there like a leaderboard? User data. No, there's no concept of a leaderboard in Firebase. It's just the data for the leaderboard. So you don't need to rename anything. All this user data. Score for best time taken. Do we have a best time for score? Time taken for high score. Nice. Love it. Blob. Refresh. No, the leaderboard didn't create. Why is that? Oh, because it's a cron job. It doesn't just run every single time. So in this case, I need to trigger the cron job from PlayFab itself. Don't crash on me. Oh, but if I trigger the cron job from PlayFab, it's going to use the version of the function that's already on as your function. So I need to deploy. Gotta deploy, man. It's not going to use my local. Why would it use my local? Deploy function app. This is pretty cool extension. You just right click and it deploys everything for you. You don't need to have a deployment pipeline. Load screen can be much better. Man, the load screen is going to be so hype. But I'm gonna wait until I have more memes, and then I'm gonna put all those memes on the load screen and make them animate. Although the animation's probably not gonna run because the load screen is very laggy. Like while it's loading a level, it just freezes. But there'll be like a second of them animating. Good enough. So. This bottle of lemonade is pissing me off. I'm going to put it over there. Alright, so let's go to PlayFab and get ready to schedule to trigger the cron job once it's finished deploying. players. Accept. Cookies, man. Goddamn cookies. Legacy. Ah, before it used to be functions preview and then cloud script, but now I guess like the Azure functions have taken over. Here we go. We can save and run. Let's just wait until it's finished deploying. Hope there's nowhere else. Oops. Okay. Oh, this song is so hype. I think this is Club Penguin as well. It's kind of quiet. Okay, so download the score or time taken leaderboard file. Okay, we'll do this same switch statement. And then, if it's a score, we want to download the score leaderboard. If it's time taken, we want to download the time taken leaderboard. I think we already have functions to download the leaderboard. I believe so. Leaderboard. The leaderboard download URL is in the Firestore database. Use it. Bye, Rag. See you later. Oh, you found me by watching a short. What, on... Oh no, it must be on YouTube. It's a short, lol. It's not TikTok. Glad you found me. How are we going to download this? Get the level doc. Need to get the level document for that leaderboard. Oh, and to do that, we need to pass in the request the level ID, which we're not doing at the moment. Oh, I know where else we need to change score and leaderboard to score leaderboard. Here, leaderboard ID needs to be changed to score leaderboard ID. Leaderboard download URL needs to be changed to score leaderboard download URL. So, I'm going to leave a get from Firestore, the download URL. But before that, I am going to rename this Hi Yo. What's up, Yo? Yo, hi. I need to rename it. It's going to be somewhere. It's going to be in the constants, isn't it? Constants. Firestore. Field names. Here we go. So instead of leaderboard download URL, score leaderboard download URL. Instead of needs writing to leaderboard, needs writing to score leaderboard. We also need to change this in the indexes. I'll do that in a sec. Leaderboard. What else do we need to do it? Time taken leaderboard download. Score leaderboard download. To score leaderboard. And I hope that's it. This is going to invalidate all the existing data in the database. It's just not going to work. Leaderboard. Needs writing too. Score leaderboard. Time taken leaderboard. Is that it? Leaderboard. Believe so. Okay, Firebase deploy these indexes. Let's go. Firebase deploy. The magic of Firebase. Love that shit. Love it. Absolutely adore that shit. That's funny. I just looked at the restream of my stream and I just saw myself doing that and I look like an absolute buffoon. So that's not happening again. Would you like to delete these field overrides? Selecting no will continue the rest of deployment. Yeah, I do want to delete it because we're not using that anymore. Whoa, update from 9 to 11? Yes, please. That is a big update. Woo, sheesh. Okay. Oh, has the deployment finished? Did it tell me if it deployed? I don't know. Publish. I believe so. Alright, let's try. Oh, but it's not gonna work. Because update leaderboard still uses... Oh, I shouldn't still use the needs. Needs. No, not update data. Game data. Needs. Writing to leaderboard field. Oh. Where do I actually use this? Oh, here. Score leaderboard. Okay, no, that should work. Oh no. No, it's not. Ah, we just updated this. We need to deploy it again. Ugh. Right. Deploy, deploy, deploy. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. If I am on tomorrow. I should be on tomorrow. I want to stream every day. You should put the chat on top of me. The thing is, if I put the chat on top of me, then when I'm in Unity, the hierarchy will be hidden by the chat. Whereas here, it's just the project, which isn't that important. But I feel like the hierarchy is more important, like people will want to see that. Do you have a reason for putting it? Oh, you said never mind, don't put up. Okay. What was your thinking, though? I hope me moving around the mic too much doesn't cause it to be inconsistent when I'm making the stream highlight video as well. Oh, should I delete everything in Firestore then, since I've changed it up? Maybe I should, so I don't get confused. Might be a smart move. Maybe everything except leaderboard. The leaderboard level I'm testing. Oh, you just thought it'd look cool. Okay. Yeah, okay, I'll recreate the leaderboard file. Fuck it. The leaderboard level. Cool, okay. Okay, nice. The deployment completed. Perfect. Perfect. That's what I like to see. So now we can save and run the cron job, hopefully. That should be... Oops. Needed more. Okay. Save and run. I haven't played Crab Game, but I saw the video by Danny. Is any good? I'm 23. Thank you for saying I look like I'm 20. I don't know if that's good, if you're a guy, to look like 20. I think the ideal is to look like you're 25 as a guy. I think. I don't know. But yeah, I'm 23. Time flies when you're this age, man. It's scary. Okay. So hopefully this task should create a folder here called score leaderboards if it decides to finish. Failed? Suck my dick and balls. Why did it fail? Internal server error. Oh, I'm gonna have to go and inspect the function logs. Right. Let's go and inspect the function. See why it's crying like a little baby. Grr. Where is it? Functions. Was it update leaderboard? Update leaderboard. Monitor. Oh, and then of course Microsoft takes forever before the logs show up for some reason. So it's like 5 minutes. That's annoying. Can I not just run? Hello world, I found out about your channel yesterday and you got a new subscriber. I love it. How did you find out about my channel? Doing some data collection. Recognized me in public. Yeah, sure, mate. No. I've got 1k subs. Oh yeah, let's see. Have the logs updated yet? Microsoft, stop being a little bitch. I wish I could just run this locally. Update leaderboards. Surely there's a way. Did I write an editor script to do it? I must have. Is there just... There must be a way. Surely I did it before. I just forgot how. Can I... run... Maybe here. Oh! Ooh! Update leaderboard. Execute function now. Oh wait. No, that's not local. Tech stuff mixed with humors and memes, and you really know how to mix those things. Yeah, that's kind of my whole brand. I'm making a meme game. Man, if Salzian was here, he would tell me how I could just run this function locally. Run specific as your function locally VS Code. Go to... locally without VS Code. Thank you. I will keep up the good work. Configure your environment. Before you get started, make sure you have the following requirements. I don't care about that. Execute function now. Oh, workspace local. Oh, wait. Am I in workspace local? Resources. No. Oh, workspace. Local project. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Update leaderboards. Execute function now. Yes, please. Oh, and it... What? Ah, wow. Now I don't need to wait for it to deploy and then run it. I can just run it locally. Hey, Anne. Annexed. Never seen you before. Nice to have you. I'm getting a collection group ask index for collection user data and needs writing to leaderboard. Why is it still using needs writing to leaderboard? It shouldn't be. It should be using needs writing to score leaderboard. We just updated that. Come on, what is this bullshit? I literally changed it. Where is this used? Here, needs writing to score leaderboard. Score leaderboard. It's there. Fam. Am I still writing it? It needs writing to leaderboard. Where is this still being used? Oh. Oh, I haven't changed it here. There's so many places I have to change it. Hey Ethan, you have I'm not fight. Oh. People keep changing their goddamn names. Good luck with your YouTube channel. Needs writing to score leaderboard. There we go. Okay, what else are we still using this old thing? Field, that's fine. And then he's writing to score leaderboard. Yeah. Oopsie, whoopsie, commit. You need to make shorts or TikToks if you want to grow a channel. These days, unfortunately. Right. Okay, now what happens if I run it? Oh, I have to restart? Wait. Let's try restarting the dev server. In the meantime, I will eat a macadamia nut, half of one. Ooh, I like that. That's a solid nut. I think the roasted almonds are the best. Normal almonds are kind of weird to eat, but these ones are crunchy because they're roasted. Mmm. God damn it, sponsor him. I'm doing this because I genuinely love M&S. I live off it. So I'll happily sponsor them. I'll happily shout them out without even being sponsored. For now. One day, I won't do that. I'm now proving to them my loyalty. Okay, let's try this again. Execute function now. Please work. Ooh, look, it broke on the debugger. Well, there's no leaderboards right now, so... Nice. Okay, let's just deploy that. In case. Although we're not using that anymore. Deploy to functions. Right, so there aren't any leaderboards, there aren't any level files in the database now, so it's not going to write any leaderboards. So we're going to have to play a level, and then that will hopefully create. Copy and edit level. Leaderboards. Play it. Win it. Save and quit. Publish. Confirm publish. Wow, 10 to 12 people. That is the most I've ever had. It's mad. And also you're forgetting that it's not just YouTube. Like, I'm doing this restream to Twitch as well. And Facebook. But I don't get any views from anything other than YouTube and Twitch. But yeah, I'm streaming to both platforms at the same time. Okay, so hopefully it should created a level in the database. Yep, levels. Here we go. Nice. So now, if I play the level. Play. And win. Okay, fuck you, audio. I need to delete all these local level files because they no longer exist on the server other than 8EA. Where's 8EA? There. We can keep that. Why? Oh no, but I'm gonna delete the metadata, so ah. 8EA. Oh, I have to change all this in the client as well. Gamer Crisp plus pinball. Interesting. Hello. Yeah. Leaderboard ID. We need to change all this in the client to score leaderboard ID. Oh, do we? Oh yeah, we do. Time taken leaderboard ID. If we have a time taken, this should be called score leaderboard ID. And if we have a time taken download URL, this should be score leaderboard download URL. Minecraft is hard, yo. Plus, it's been done a million times by other YouTubers. Okay, so everything's been renamed to score leaderboard. Hopefully. Leaderboard ID. Oh, this song. Man, Nintendo know how to make music, I have to say. They know that shit. They know that shit. Okay, I think I've now finally renamed every leaderboard text to score leaderboard. Let's commit. Now I've fixed the oopsie whoopsie. Fingers crossed. Now I need to go and delete everything. I have to delete all of that. I have to delete all of that. Thumbnails. These have all been deleted. Don't want them taking up space on my computer. Can go. You know, I'm gonna empty the bin because I like having space on my... Actually, no. No, what if I need one of them? What if I accidentally deleted it? See, I've learned my lesson. Don't empty the bin too fast. Only empty it when you need to, because you might have stuff in there that you wish you didn't delete. Big brain. Humongous brain. Humongous what? This is Pikmin. Okay. Let's try again. Hopefully everything has been renamed. So, main menu, level builder, create a level. I'll just put the rainbow frog right next to him so he can win instantly. I'll give the level a name of Leaderboards for testing leaderboards, and then publish it. Oh, I have to verify the level. Easy, I win. Now I can publish. Cool. Okay. Oh, I can delete this. Whoa, what's this new more in Google Cloud? Ooh. Never seen that before. Wow, you got a snack. Not allowed. If you're gonna go get a snack, you have to put on the short be right back screen like this. If you're a software engineer, you will just love this. Why does it always go to that same TikTok to start off with? Is that just a coincidence? 008 Mission Possible Programmer Edition. Dun 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 dun. Yeah, I think that was just a coincidence from before. Okay. Right. So that created. Leaderboard download. Why is it still called Leaderboard download URL? It's meant to be score download URL. Leaderboard. And leaderboard ID should be score ID. God damn it. Those are in the server. Leaderboard download URL. Because in the client everywhere, it's score leaderboard download URL. Leaderboard download URL. I changed it, fam. It's chatting. It's chatting absolute. And I literally just restarted the server as well. What's going on here? It's kind of sus. Oh. Published level data. I haven't changed that. Oh, okay, okay. Score leaderboard download URL. And, score leaderboard ID. There we go. So Firebase. Is that the leaderboard software using? It looks nice. Nope. No, I had to do leaderboards from scratch, but Firebase is my database and it's connected to the leaderboard. It's part of the whole leaderboard system. Yeah, now I need to restart. But let me make sure there's no other... How did I not see that when I was looking around? Should have seen that. Okay. Now it is goddamn fixed. Please. Deploy. If you're interested in how I did the leaderboards, I made a making of my level builder game video on my YouTube channel. And it's very comprehensive. And there's a chapter here for leaderboards where I talk about it for literally like 4 minutes straight. And then I explain why I fucked up and why I still have to work on leaderboards, which is what I'm doing right now. This whole thing. Find all dirty leaderboard at 150 megabytes. Imagine a player downloading that file every time they go to the leaderboard. I would in fact be homeless.
I would.
Because it turns out Microsoft charge quite a lot for external data transfer.
But it's a pretty fun video.
Once upon a time, I had
That's the intro.
an insane dream.
Where the hell are we?
I think we are in the Mario Maker universe.
What's happening?
We're being merged together.
Go watch it. Later, after you finished. Actually, you can watch it now, I don't care. Don't add leaderboards at all. You know what? Correct. There we go. Command S. There we go. We don't need leaderboards. Oh wait, that wasn't even the leaderboard file. Pranked. Psych. Psych. So, now it should work. So let's delete everything yet again and start from scratch. Whew. Sheesh. Just in case, I'll delete all this. I'll delete all this. Delete all this. Right. Create a level. Leaderboard. Work. Please. Publish. Confirm. Oh, I haven't even added a way to win the level. Rainbow Frog. There we go. Save. Publish. Verify. Win. Continue. Publish. Wait. I want to learn how to play this on the guitar. Hey, I got it. It's just that. Okay, whatever. Default layout. What, in Unity? It's not the default layout. It's a streaming layout. Oh, the chat has started being retarded. I have to reload. Man, restream. Like, the chat just stops scrolling after a while. It's kind of annoying. Okay, there, I've refreshed the page. Maybe I should send them some feedback. Need help? Send us a message. Yeah, I'm gonna send them a message. An angry message. Quite often, the stream chat stops staying scrolled to the bottom, and I either have to manually scroll or reload the whole page. Maybe you can fix this by hiding all the messages or something, or maybe constantly scrolling to the bottom every 5 seconds or so, or something. I don't know, but please fix it. It's really annoying. There. Okay, let's see. Is it correct in Firebase? Levels, this. Oh, I didn't restart the goddamn server. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. This is such a chill beat. Ooh. Bow, 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 bow. Yeah, I'm praying as well. You know what? Why? Why does it create so many screenshots? Am I creating too many screenshots? Let me write this in the Trello. Why is it creating two screenshots, sorry, two thumbnails when I create the level? Or is it when I publish? Check. Okay, so let's delete everything and start again. Bye bye. Now, hopefully, you know, I'm just going to restart it again. Oh, it was there. Okay. There. Okay. SCP-049 into the game as an Easter egg. You want me to ruin the game? Maybe I will. Maybe I'll have it some very small text on some credit scene somewhere. We'll see. Create level. Okay, I want to see about this thumbnail quickly. So, leaderboard. Save and quit, publish, confirm publish. Is it here that it's generating a thumbnail? Interesting. So here, before it's even published, it's generated itself a thumbnail. Okay, and then verify level. Oh, there's no way to... Okay, I create this. Still only one. Save and quit. Publish. Confirm publish. It's created another one. It should have... It should have overwritten the existing one, but instead, I think it's appending the time to the file name, like the current time in milliseconds since the 1st of January 1970. Why? Why are we adding a random string to the end? No, that's so inefficient. No, why are we doing that? Let's just quickly see that. What's up with that? Generate. It's in the level builder manager. Level builder manager. Generate thumbnail. Thumbnail ID. Here, look, it's appending a random string and then the date. Why? Maybe instead... Firefox. Oh look, they replied. They replied. Restream replied. Where did it go? My name is Paul. I can see how that's troublesome. Glad you reached out. Are you streaming using Chrome? Firefox. Do they only support Chrome? Am I going to have to start using Opera for Restream instead of Firefox? Because Opera runs on Chrome. Chromium. It's basically the same. In case you didn't know that, the more you know. Woo! On your next show, can you try streaming with Chrome is the recommended browser? You mean without Firefox? Okay. You mean without Firefox? Let's see. I'm gonna switch to Opera, basically Chrome now. Restream. Login. Google. Okay. Hopefully this should work. Let me just put it on that page. You know, SCP, since you're my biggest fan, maybe I will put you in the game. Just for old time's sake. Dun 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 dun. Work. I am trying. Right. So the thumbnail. So there's two options. Either we don't add the random string to the end of the thumbnail. But I feel like we did that for some reason. Or the second option is to delete the old thumbnail before uploading a new thumbnail. Which I think is just better practice, to be honest. It's not hacky. It's explicit in our intention. Oh, the code. You want the code? I mean, I also need to be told to work. Yeah, so where are we calling generate thumbnail? We're calling it when we click the export button to export the file, and also when we generate and show thumbnail whenever the publish level modal shows. So does this generate thumbnail function, does it set the it does, it sets the thumbnail ID of the level here. So what we can do is right before doing this we delete the old one. So we'll save at the beginning var old thumbnail equals level.metadata.thumbnail. Not sure I'm streaming now though, and I switched to Opera. I'm doing it through OBS. Wow, their customer support is really good. Reply instantly. Right, so okay, so we save the old thumbnail ID. Does the thumbnail ID contain the file extension? Doubt it. Where do we save the thumbnail? Here, we save the thumbnail. We should have a function here called delete. If Danny and Rethan uploaded a video at the same time, then I'd watch yours first. Thank you. Your addiction has started. Good. How are you checking the chats? Are you using Firefox and using the chat on? Yeah, I was. Okay, so delete thumbnail string thumbnail ID, and then system.io.file.delete, is that it? And then path to file Okay. Delete thumbnail file path thumbnail ID. I guess that's it. Is this async? No, it's synchronous. It's all synchronous. Oh, whenever that sound happens, I want you guys to comment double in the yo, what's up? You're back. Whenever you hear the duh 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 Wii Sports, I want you to remember to comment double in the chat, because that sound happens in baseball when you hit a double, and I love that sound. It's gonna be a little meme, right? A little Rethan in joke. So if you are a true Rethan fan, you'll remember to do that. So at the end, we're going to do thumbnail manager dot instant dot delete thumbnail, delete the old thumbnail ID. Okay, and now, hey, you get it. Right. You only want to delete it if there is an old thumbnail. If old thumbnail ID is not equal to null, then do that. The sound, just look up Wii Baseball double sound. Actually, I don't even know if it'll come up. It's a da 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 da. That's it. And it's like played on an organ. Right, let's try this again. Delete all thumbnails. Errors have to be fixed? Huh? Oh. Semicolon. Always missing a semicolon. Oh my god. I should delete all this. Why are there so many? Oh, they're different. Edit level. Okay. Publish. It creates a thumbnail. I quit out. Publish again. Okay, it ends in 6.5. Does it replace it? If I quit out, publish. Ends in 4.8. Nice. It deletes the old one now. Okay, I'm gonna before I start, I'm gonna delete everything, all the levels, start fresh, clean slate. No more imported levels, no more user edited levels. Bye bye leaderboards. That can go, that can go, that can go. Yeah, everything is gone. Start scratch. Scratch. Whoa, I got 10 more subscribers. Wow. Thank you. So now, hopefully, no levels. Browse published levels. No levels. No favorite published levels. No edited levels found. Okay, create a level. Standard, leader, board, blah blah blah, whatever. We need to add a rainbow frog so that we can win the level. Win, save and quit, publish, confirm, publish. I'm gonna move this card over because I just fixed it like a boss. Publish level. Cool, okay, so now let's check Firebase. Will it have worked?
It didn't work. It's still called leaderboard ID and leaderboard download URL. What is this shit? Calm down. Okay. Why didn't it work? Huh? Huh? What's your reasoning? So, publish level leaderboard ID. No, not on the model. Oh, what? Level doc? Oh, there's so many places I have to update it. Oh, school. This game is too big for just one man to be making. Yeah, I'm making it nonetheless. Okay. Now it should work. Restart everything. Oh, everything's broken now because I didn't rename it properly. I have to do it with F2, so it actually goes and updates all the other files. F2, score. Okay. Any errors? Yes, it does. VS Code, update yourself. Restart OmniSharp. Nope, that's not OmniSharp, that's an issue. Come on, I'll just reload the window. Yeah, I actually watched a video today by this guy on YouTube called Moon. He makes really good documentaries. And he made a video on Roblox and why Roblox is evil and how they're like exploiting children to like overwork and get underpaid, and they're also like convincing children to gamble. So sounds kind of sus. Dunno. Let's start the server. Delete. Right. Divide by 0. Wait, so when there are no leaderboard entries. To be fair, there will never be a leaderboard with no leaderboard entries. You can't go to the leaderboard without it. It's mostly lies, but yes, they take a lot of money from us. Instead of giving us 10 out of 10, they only give us 3 out of 10. 30%. Mad. It's quite low. Do you play Roblox then? Are you a big Roblox guy? So let's create a level. Leaderboards. Work. Okay. Publish. Let's just check the thumbnail. Nice, it didn't delete the old one because the old one is from another level, technically. Different level ID entirely. And confirm publish. Verify. Win. Publish. You should learn Unity and make actual games. I mean, you are learning Unity by watching me. Over time, you'll eventually have learned it all. What is this? An error? A... Are there too many files on the player entity? This might be an issue that only happens locally, but will never happen IRL because of how I've set things up. One of my games got over 80k visits, but my account was hacked and deleted. RIP. How did your account get hacked? That's so sad.
Files. No. Okay, delete files. Let's try this again. Confirm publish. Nice. Nice. Okay, so that worked. That uploaded. This is the old one that didn't work. That's interesting. It made a... It didn't delete the old one. What's the game you're making? Maybe I should make it delete the old one if there's an error. Publish level. But it adds at the end. I don't think that error will ever happen. Must have been a local error. Delete document. Sea of Thieves. Wow, I've never played Sea of Thieves. What's it about? I've heard of it. Okay, oh look, it worked. School leaderboard ID, school leaderboard download URL. Nice. Let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna play the level. Taking its sweet time. Okay, I'm gonna win the level. I'm gonna downvote it because I'm evil. Okay. Okay. And now there should be a... Oh, there isn't a download URL because we need to run the... Where is it? Yeah, there isn't a download URL. Let's now run the leaderboard cron job manually. Oh shit, it's already 6 o'clock. Damn. I'm vibing. Streaming for a good long while. Local project functions. Update leaderboards. This should hopefully work. Okay, so needs writing to school and this leaderboard should now be true. No, they just got turned to false. I hope they were true before. Let's see. School leaderboards, nice, nice. Download. Nice. It works. It works. Boys, let's go. Yeah, wow, okay. Now we can go back to what I was doing. Finally, jeez. To be fair, maybe I'll call it quits here.
for today. I feel like we're at a good place. Where did I leave off? So I know where to do it tomorrow. Get leaderboard. Here. Download the score time taken leaderboard. I'm going to make a Trello note so I remember to do that. Continue off in get leaderboard.cs. Okay. I reckon it's time to call it quits. 4 people watching. That's nice. Fellas, it's been real. I've been streaming for 3 hours and 12 minutes. Wow. Mad. SCP, it was lovely having you so active in the chat, and everyone else who is watching but not active. A suggestion? Okay, give me a suggestion before I go. Gamer Chris, it was great having you as a new time watcher. I'd love to see you again. You know, be more active on the chat. I love talking to you guys. Every time a player jumps, there's a little particle effect. That'd be cool. There's so many little like things I can do to polish the game up, but like there's just so much scope to the game that like I don't even know where I should focus my time. Now I'm trying to like focus on making as many characters as possible to make an actual game that I can release as early access. Oh, you're working on a Unity project. What's your game about, Chris? Well, we've done good today. I know it's all just been code and you can't see the results. Most of my streams won't be just coding. There'll be a lot of... like once all this stuff is made and I do the undo buffer as well, and maybe just one other thing, then I'll start actually adding more memes to Meme Game and I'll actually be playing them and I'll be designing the memes together. Hey, Musjism. I'm about to head. Wowie Jam's theme is sick, you should have participated. Yeah, I kind of just like, after the GMTK game jam, I'm just out of steam. I just can't be bothered. It's too soon. If it was later, I would have done it. Boss Rush style suitor game. Okay. Well, good luck. Tell me how it goes. I'm heading now. Was lovely. See you later, fellas.